Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file withholding tax. First, it's crucial to understand that withholding tax is an advance payment of income tax deducted at the source. This applies to various income types, like rent, dividends, and professional fees. As a withholding agent, you have the responsibility to deduct and remit these taxes to the Kenya Revenue Authority, or KRA, ensuring compliance and avoiding penalties. Let's dive into the specifics. To begin, ensure you are registered as a withholding agent on the KRA tax portal. Once registered, you'll need to generate a payment slip for the specific amounts you've withheld. This slip is essential for the next step. You can then proceed to remit the tax to KRA through any of their authorized banks. Remember to keep all your records meticulously organized for future reference and audits. Filing your withholding tax returns is a monthly obligation. The deadline for submitting these returns is strictly the 20th day of the month following the month in which the tax was withheld. For example, tax withheld in October must be filed by November 20th. Accurate reporting is paramount to avoid any penalties or interest charges from KRA. Always double-check your figures before submission. Avoiding common mistakes is key to smooth withholding tax compliance. One frequent error is incorrectly classifying income, which can lead to underdeduction or overdeduction. Another significant pitfall is late payment, which invariably results in penalties and interest charges from KRA. Always verify the applicable rates and ensure timely remittance. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.